Extraction of DNA MCQs. MCQs number 1. For isolating DNA from plants, the most suitable method is CTAB method, SDS phenol extraction, SDS proteinase K treatment. All of these. The correct option is option A, CTAB method. MCQs number 2. Which of the following reagent is commonly used for bacterial cell wall lysis? CTAB, phenol extraction, lysozyme, penicillin. The correct option is option C, lysozyme. MCQs number 3. DNA extraction from plant tissue are difficult due to presence of large amount of DNA, presence of large amount of RNA and DNA. C, both A and B. D, presence of secondary metabolites and polysaccharide. The correct option is option D, presence of secondary metabolites and polysaccharides. MCQs number 4. Which action of cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide CTAB in DNA extraction from plant tissue is? Option 1, CTAB complex with nucleic acid and form precipitate. B, CTAB complex with protein and form precipitate. Option C is CTAB complex with polysaccharide and form precipitate. Option D is CTAB complex with secondary metabolite and form precipitate. The correct option is option A, CTAB complex with nucleic acid and form precipitate. MCQs number 5. Which of the following reagents are used for precipitating DNA? Isopropanol, ethanol. B, both A and B. None of these. The correct option is option C, both A and B are used for precipitating of. MCQs number 6. Action of EDTA in EDTA lysozyme treatment in bacterial DNA extraction. Removes magnesium ion essential for maintenance of bacterial cell wall structure. Inhibits degradation of DNA by cellular enzymes. Removes outer lipopolysaccharide layer of gram-negative bacteria. Option D is all of these. The correct option is option D, all of these. MCQs number 7. Phenol used in DNA extraction. Precipitate DNA and leave protein in aqueous solution. Option B, precipitate DNA protein complex and leave DNA in aqueous solution. Option C, precipitate cell debris and leave nucleic acid protein complex in aqueous solution. Option D, precipitate protein and leave nucleic acid in aqueous solution. The correct option is option D, precipitate protein and leave nucleic acid in aqueous. MCQs number 8. In cell extract with high protein content before phenol treatment. Option 1, chloroform is used to break the polypeptide to small fragment. SDS is used to break polypeptide to small fragment. Protease are used to break polypeptide to small fragment. Option D is all of these. The correct option is option C, protease are used to break polypeptide to small fragment. MCQs number 9. Which of the following reagent is used for quantifying DNA? Chloroform, CTAB, diphenylamine, didensyl chloride. The correct option is option C, diphenylamine. MCQs number 10. Which of the following is in correct order regarding DNA extraction? DNA extraction के जो एग्जैक्ट स्टेप्स हैं वो, सबसे पहला RNase ट्रीटमेंट, प्रोटीएज ट्रीटमेंट, सेल लाइसिस और एथेनॉल प्रेसिपिटेट. B, cell lysis, phenol treatment, RNase treatment, ethanol precipitation. C, cell lysis, RNase treatment, protease treatment, and at the end ethanol precipitation. The correct option is option B. सबसे पहले cell lysis, then phenol treatment, then RNase treatment, and at the end ethanol precipitation. MCQs number 11. Which kind of cell is used for extraction of DNA in experiment? Buccal cells, skin cells, liver cells, red blood cells. The correct option is option A. Buccal cells are used for experiment. B. DNA extraction required to lyse the epithelial cells and to degrade the compound inhibitory to amplification. Mechanically shearing, enzyme, heat treatment, or freezing. The correct option is option C. Heat treatment is used for this purpose. MCQs number 13. After centrifugation, the supernatant being piped out contains. After centrifugation, the supernatant being piped out contains cellular debris, option 1, option B is DNA, option C is water, option D all of them. The correct option is option B. DNA is supernatant after centrifugation. 14. In DNA extraction is include for chelating the ions needed for enzyme to prevent the degradation of DNA. EDTA, calcium ion deoxyribonuclease. Enzymes magnesium deoxyribonucleic acid. EDTA magnesium deoxyribonuclease. D. Chelating agent magnesium ribonuclease. The correct option is option C. EDTA magnesium deoxyribonuclease. 15. Which of the following is not method to remove contaminant protein from sample solution? Centrifugation, shaking of solution gently with water saturated phenol, shaking the solution gently with phenol chloroform mixture, washing with buffer containing EDTA. The correct option is option D. Washing with buffer containing EDTA.